Do you know why you are still stuck? You are not stuck because life is unfair. You are stuck because you keep choosing what's easy. Look around. Most people are trapped in the same cycle. They stay in jobs they hate. They keep habits that destroy them. Why? Because it's comfortable. But comfort is a coffin. It buries your ambition, kills your drive, and locks you into a life you'll regret later. And one day, you'll look back and realize, you didn't fail because you weren't good enough. You failed because you never even tried. Here's the truth. Growth doesn't happen in comfort. You don't need motivation. You need discipline. Discipline means doing it when you don't feel like it. Discipline means choosing the pain now so you can have the power later. Every workout, every late night, every time you push past the limits, that's you taking your life back. That's you becoming the person comfort tried to kill. So, just ask yourself, are you really living? Or are you just slowly dying? One excuse at a time. Because in the end, you only get two choices. Stay comfortable or break the limit.